Meditation grounded inner authority. Sit in a position that feels comfortable for you. Allow your body to rest on whatever platform is supporting you. Feel how your feet are gently supported. Your spine is upright without tension, as if the crown of your head is softly reaching upward. Place your hands on your knees, palms facing up, or gently connect your thumb and index finger. Take a calm breath in through your nose and allow the exhale to flow out naturally, slightly longer and slower through softly parted lips. If it feels safe now, gently close your eyes. Or you can soften your gaze or look slightly downward, gently directing your attention toward the tip of your nose. As you inhale, bring awareness to the crown of your head. As you exhale, softly sense how the cool breath travels down your spine, warmly moving toward the ground. There is nothing to achieve here, nothing to change or fix. You are simply here, noticing the body, the breath, the thoughts just as they are. Allow this space to be exactly as it is. Allow yourself to be here and now as an observer. Now gently bring attention to the center of your body. Not to your thoughts, not to the words, but to the felt sense of being here. Notice how the body is already supported without effort on your part. Support is already present. It does not need to be created. Feel the contact with the surface beneath you, the weight of the body, gravity quietly holding you right now. Inner authority begins not with decisions, but with a sense of stability in the body. Stay for a few breaths with this feeling. If questions arise, doubts, internal conversations, allow them to just be here. They do not need answers right now. Nothing needs to be proven or explained. You are not required to know everything in this moment. Notice something simple. When the body feels steady, there is no urgency. Bring gentle awareness to the area of the belly or the center of the chest, the place where I am here is often felt. Do not search for special sensations. Simply notice what is present. Inner confidence is quiet. It does not argue. It does not rush. It does not convince. It feels like a calm sense of enough. You may gently say to yourself, I don't need to rush, or I can wait until things become clear. Notice how these words land in the body, not as affirmations, but as permission. Sense the difference between making a decision from tension and allowing clarity to come from stability. Tension demands us immediate answer. Stability allows space. Rest in that space. Right now, no choice is required, no action is needed. You are practicing the ability to stay connected to yourself before decisions arise, not instead of them. From this place, clarity arrives naturally when there's room. You may quietly say, I can trust my rhythm, not as a promise, but as an observation. You can trust your own natural rhythm. Feel how inner authority is not something to hold onto. It is a state you can return to through the body, through the breath, through presence. Now take another deep breath in and allow yourself to remain for a few moments in this sense of calm confidence without needing to act, without needing to explain. Remain in this state for a few more moments and notice how stability spreads through the body, not as effort, but as a natural condition. You may feel as the energy now expanding through your body, and there is no need to hold this state deliberately. Your body already knows how to return to it. Take a slow, full breath in and a gentle, long breath out. If it feels supportive, place your hands over your heart or simply sense the body's support. Quietly to yourself say, thank you for this moment. Without pressure, without expectations, simply as a fact. You may also experience this sense of gratitude for the source of support that helps you walk your path. Notice that this state is acceptable throughout the day when you pause, when you breathe, when you return attention to the body. Begin to gently bring movement back. Wiggle the fingers, the toes, softly roll the shoulders and the neck. And when you are ready, allow your eyes to open. Continue your day from this calmer, more grounded place. You may return to this practice as often as you need.